to our school's division superintendent in the person of Rinaldo Manuel Jr., CESO 5, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Eugene I. Macais Jr., SGOD Chief Cheryl Samonte, CID Chief Samuel Sisilacan, Public School District Supervisor Edna Alona Duhay Lugson, our Education Program Supervisor, at the same time, our Confirming Officer, Maria Alona E. Hanoy, Municipal Mayor, Honorable Jessie S. Viña, Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ronel Mukipon, SK Federation President, Honorable Almi O. Lapiñas, Barangay Captain, Honorable Cherito Lumbay, School Parent Teacher Association President, Lydia A. Maglangit, School Principal of Concepcion National High School, Ricardo L. Lapis, Guest Speaker, Mark Brian V. Conejero, teachers, parents, fellow completers, friends, good morning. On behalf of the completers, batch 2025-2026, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the people who have been part of our journey. First, to our beloved parents, thank you for your endless love, support, and sacrifices, especially to my parents, Mama Nining and Papa Pagnoy, who have been so supportive of me since day one. You have been my source of strength and inspiration, guiding me through every challenge and celebrating every success. Without you, we would not be where we are today. To our dear teachers, thank you for your patience, dedication, and commitment to shaping not only our minds, but also our characters. You have guided us, believed in us, and inspired us to strive for excellence. To our class advisor, Sir Pablo Acador, and to all the teachers of Concepcion National High School. You did not only teach us lessons from books, but also lessons about life, perseverance, and believing in our own abilities. Your patience, understanding, and dedication truly made a difference in our journey. We are grateful for all the sacrifices you made and for always being there to support us. You inspired us to dream bigger and to become